In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lead magnets with GoHighLevel, a powerful tool for managing and nurturing your leads. Whether you're offering a PDF ebook, a helpful checklist, an easy-to-follow template, a comprehensive free course, or an engaging webinar, a great lead magnet can be your key to capturing potential customers' interest and information. First things first, let's choose what your lead magnet will be. Think about what your audience would find valuable and relevant. Popular options are PDF ebooks that provide in-depth knowledge, checklists that simplify complex tasks, templates that offer a starting point for projects, free courses that teach valuable skills, or webinars that demonstrate your expertise live. Whichever you choose, make sure it aligns with your business goals and offers real value to your audience. Once you have your lead magnet, you'll need to make it accessible by uploading the file into GoHighLevel. To do this, head over to the settings, and from there, navigate to Media Storage. Here you can upload the file for your lead magnet. Once it's uploaded, remember to copy the file URL. This link will be crucial later on when you offer your lead magnet to your audience. Now it's time to focus on building a funnel or landing page to promote your lead magnet. Within GoHighLevel, go to the Sites section and click on Funnels, then choose to create funnel. Building an effective funnel involves setting up an opt-in page where visitors can provide their email addresses in exchange for your lead magnet. It's essential that this page clearly communicates the benefits of your lead magnet and encourages visitors to sign up. Once your opt-in page is ready, you'll also need a thank you page that confirms their sign-up and provides access to the lead magnet using the URL you copied earlier. For this, you can start from scratch if you prefer to customize every element yourself. Use a pre-designed template for a quicker setup, or even import an existing funnel. With your funnel in place, you might want to consider creating an automation workflow. This can help you automate follow-up emails, nurture sequences, and any other tasks you wish to happen after someone downloads your lead magnet. Automation not only saves you time, but also ensures that every lead receives the same quality experience. Finally, tracking performance is essential to understand the effectiveness of your lead magnets and funnels. GoHighLevel offers a suite of analytics tools to monitor key metrics like opt-in rate, conversion rate, email opens, funnel performance, and appointment bookings. These insights are invaluable in helping you refine your approach, optimize your lead magnets, and ultimately boost your conversion rates. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create, distribute, and optimize powerful lead magnets using GoHighLevel, setting you up for success in capturing and nurturing leads. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you expand your reach and grow your business.